Hi everyone. For this lesson we'll take a look at an angle-side angle postulate and an angle-side theorem to prove that two triangles are congruent. Alright, so we have these two triangles, ABC and triangle EFG. So if we know that angle A is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle G, and we have the included side, which is in this case it's AC, is congruent to side EG, and EG is also the included side for this triangle. So now we have two angles, A and C, and the included side AC, and they are congruent to these two angles and the included side EG of this triangle. So if that's the case, then we can confirm that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. And that's because of the angle-side angle postulate. So for the angle-side theorem, let's say you have angle A is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle G, and we have a non-included side. So let's say we have side AB, which is this side here, is congruent to side EF. So if this is the case, then we can actually use the angle-side angle postulate to prove this theorem. And with that said, if we have an angle here, angle A is congruent to angle E, and we have another angle, angle C is congruent to angle G, and we have a non-included side, AB, is congruent to the corresponding non-included side, EF, then that's enough information to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. Alright, and that's because of the angle-side theorem. Alright folks, so this wraps up the lesson on the angle-side angle postulate and the angle-side theorem, which can be used to prove that two triangles are congruent. And we're still happy.